Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to delete your Rainbet account. First method is to use the self-exclusion tool. Sign into your Rainbet account with your username and password, then go to Responsible Gambling, open your account settings, then Responsible Gambling. Now, choose the self-exclusion option to set it to permanent. Now, Rainbet will process your request usually within 2 hours based on their 95% response rate. The second method is to contact Rainbet support. If you prefer manual deletion, send an email at support@rainbet.com. Include details like your username, registered email, and a clear request for permanent account deletion. If asked, provide a copy of your ID like passport, driver's license for security. Support typically replies within 48 to 72 hours. If delayed, use live chat, which solves 80% of issues within 5 minutes. Once processed, you lose access to your account. Rainbet deleted most of your data but may retain info up to 10 years due to AML or anti-money laundering compliance. Keep a copy of all emails for your records. Just following these steps ensures a secure permanent exit from Rainbet. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.